In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted to share a brochure, a pricing sheet, a one-pager, or any downloadable document in your emails or landing pages, the first thing you need to do is add that PDF to your Mailchimp Content Studio. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, nice and easy, and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything uploads smoothly. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Content. This opens the Content Studio, which is the central library for all the files you use in Mailchimp. Images, documents, even GIFs. Think of it as your organized shelf where every asset lives, ready to be dropped into a campaign or linked in a button. If you don't immediately see your files, that's okay. This area may be blank if it's your first upload. Once you're in the Content Studio, look for the Upload option. Clicking Upload will open your computer's file picker. You can browse to the folder where your PDF is stored and select it. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop a PDF directly into the Content Studio window. Both methods work the same. As the upload begins, you'll see a progress indicator, and when it completes, Mailchimp will show the file in your library with its name, file type, and size. Now, choose the PDF file you have on your computer. Before you confirm, it's a good idea to double-check a few things. Make sure you're selecting the final version with a clear, descriptive file name, like Spring Menu 2026 PDF, instead of something vague. Keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly for your audience. If it's large, consider compressing it first with a trusted PDF optimizer. Avoid unusual characters in the file name, since those can create link issues on some systems. And always make sure there's nothing sensitive inside the document that you wouldn't want publicly accessible. After the upload finishes, you'll see your PDF sitting in the library. This is your confirmation that it's ready to use in Mailchimp. You can click the file to view its details, and from here, you'll be able to insert it into campaigns or link to it when you build emails and pages later. If you upload multiple PDFs, consider keeping them organized with consistent naming so they're easy to find in the future. That's all there is to it. Click Content, click Upload, and select your PDF. Your document is now safely stored in Mailchimp and ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.